Beach Adventures with Kris, and we are in, can you guess the country by the flag? Yes, it is Estonia and Tallinn, the capital city of Estonia. And I am now at this quite central beach called Russalka, and it is actually not allowed to swim here, as there were some few signs that it says that swimming is not allowed due to contamination, apparently. But I see some kids swimming in the sea, a few brave souls. There you can see also the sign as well. But it's a quite nice and sandy beach out on the beach promenade. And yeah, I saw some few people swimming now, which means that I'm going to swim also to check the beach adventure for today and beach day here, my first beach day. So I arrived earlier today. It was only 45 minutes flight or something, actually less than an hour. It was quite convenient to get from Stockholm to Tallinn, and it was super cheap flight as well. It costed like a return flight like 300 crowns, which is below around 25 euros apparently. So yes, I'm now for the weekend in Estonia, in Tallinn. The weather is not the best. It will be cloudy with some light rain while I'm here, but that is what it is. It is what it is. So Estonia has a population of 1.35 million people, and Tallinn is the capital city and the biggest city here in Estonia, with around 1/3 of the population of the country living here, around 450,000 people. So I have been actually previously in Tallinn in 2015 with a cruise from Stockholm, but then I only stayed for like 8 hours on land. So right now, here now I am over the weekend for 3 days, 2 nights. So I'm going to be having a bit more time to do some beach adventures, but also sightseeing at the old city of Tallinn. So yes, 2nd of August, the day is today, Friday, happy Friday, and also Independence. Well, it's a national holiday in Macedonia for the revolutionary fight against the Ottomans, the Ottoman Turk. It's called the holiday Ilinden. So happy Ilinden to all people in Macedonia, my home country. So right, then I think we have some walking to do in the water because it is quite shallow right here at Russalka beach. That's located just 2 kilometers walk from the city center of Tallinn. And I see that the water here is quite clean, so I'm not really sure why there is a sign that it's not allowed to swim, but I'm going to do it anyway. We have the beach walk there, the beach promenade that stretches along the coast, and I was quite surprised that there are so many beautiful architectural buildings here, because I was actually walking from the airport to the center, because it was around 3 kilometers to my hotel, which is nothing, because I usually walk a lot more than that, at least 30,000 steps per day when I'm on vacation and exploring the cities. So yeah, that was a bit not so far. I was astonished that the airport can be just 3 kilometers away from the center and just 500 meters from the first inhabited place in town. But yes, Tallinn, short about Tallinn, so I mentioned 450,000 people population, capital city of Estonia, and it is obviously a port city with many ferries here passing by, and there are frequent connections from here to all of the Baltic countries, plus Finland and Sweden also. That is how I came in 2015 with a cruise, with a boat, but right now this weekend I came here with a plane. That the scheduled time for the flight time is 65 minutes, but usually it arrives earlier than that, depending on the weather conditions. So yes, Baltic Sea beach adventure in Tallinn, Estonia. at this Russalka beach that is allegedly contaminated and it's not allowed to swim here. But I'm going to just take a quick dip, without inhaling any water. But if you're here, don't swim here. That is my advice to you. I'm doing this because I am experienced and maybe a little bit too extreme in my beach adventures. So yes, first swim in Estonia ever for me, ever in my life. So from Tallinn, with love, let's go take a swim in the Baltic Sea. Woohoo! It was, yes, I didn't close my eye. I didn't open my eyes. I didn't open my mouth. So we're good to go and to check off the beach adventure here at Russalka Beach on the 2nd of August. So yeah, check around the view here on a cloudy day in Tallinn. It is now 6 p.m. and here the time zone is 1 hour forward from Stockholm. So it is going to be right until 10 o'clock, I believe. So yeah, that's Russalka Beach, nice sandy beach that's suitable for swim. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this episode with me from Russalka Beach in Tallinn, Estonia, on my first beach adventure here. Let's see how are the other beaches that I'm going to visit, if the water is better there. But until then, thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!